Hey y'all. Welcome back to the family. This is Nene from Life of the Wave family. We is on the way to do grocery shop. So I don't know which way we're going. I don't know which place we're going first, y'all. But we finna go do grocery shopping, and we're gonna take y'all along with us. Y'all said that y'all wanted to do a grocery. Y'all want to do a grocery shop haul and stuff. So we're gonna take y'all with us, and just y'all can go see a little bit of stuff, and that's it. So Bae's driving. He's not the one driving.
Yeah, Sirski, what up?
Then
what
we
up?
got JR
cutting up in the car seat. You know how they do in the car seat.
Kamar just making noise. He don't know if he want to play with he drink his cup or play with his little rudder toy. So that's what we doing. Y'all, guess what? My baby finna be 1 next month. I'm so happy. I'm so excited, y'all. I swear, I always get excited about my kids' birthday. And I don't care what it is. I'm going to try to make sure I do whatever they want for their birthday. And I'm going to make sure I try to do something for their birthday and stuff. I don't care what it is. I always been like that. And I'm going to continue to be like that and stuff, because I enjoy their birthdays. I be so thankful that I'm able to spend another year with them each day at that. But I'm very thankful that God put breath in my body for me to be able to see my kids turn a year older. So I'm excited. His birthday is on the 26th, February the 26th. So more than likely we're gonna have us a birthday party, but I just don't know what the food gonna be. I don't know if I want to do pizza or like from Pizza Hut or something, or cook something. I don't know, because y'all, Kamar can eat, honey. He little, but he mighty. He can eat. He can eat. Don't let the size fool you, honey. He ain't no, but right now he's 10 months old, and y'all, he walking good.
Matter of fact, we need to get him a sit up, one of them high chairs.
Yeah, sure do, cause he love to eat. He love to eat. Kamar love to eat. He love to eat, and he gonna doggone fuss you out about his food. He be doing that little noise. I'm like telling you that he doggone hungry. So my baby love to eat, so I know I'm gonna have to have him a big boy plate, just like his daddy be having. So I'm gonna have to make sure it's something that I know my baby gonna eat, and I ain't got to worry about make sure he get choked or anything. So I'm gonna make sure I give him some. So y'all didn't hear me say no hot dogs. I said some food, honey. Come on, like to eat. I ain't finna go half step with my baby, honey. I'm finna give him a plate.
And if he choking on his food, he gonna make sure you don't catch him choking, because he don't want you to take it. Hey, he'll be in the middle of choking and stop choking just because you look like you really gonna take the rest of his food.
He about to hurt himself. He don't be knowing if y'all finna doggone take it from him or not. He just know that he finna stop it, so he can
like,
keep
I'm
eating.
I'm good. It just swallowed you went down the wrong pipe. I'm good.
They so crazy. He ain't lying neither, y'all. I swear he is not lying. He is not lying. But yeah, I'm gonna make sure I do something for his birthday. He's gonna have a party, Lost Will Spy Live. It's gonna be on that Sunday. It's gonna be on that Sunday, that weekend and stuff. But what you think we should have, babe?
Fun to eat.
Yeah, like food wise.
Man, we might need to get that joker some meatloaf. That's potato food. With some corn or something.
That sound like something for you.
Yeah.
That don't sound nothing.
Get him a real deal meal.
Y'all see, I start laughing, because that don't sound nothing for Kamar, honey. That sound like something for you. That sound like something for you. Because I was thinking of some chicken. Grilling some chicken or something, put some stuff on the grill.
Yeah.
Fry some wings up, make them like barbecue wings or something.
No,
some plain wings.
No, we ain't gonna do the chicken because it involves bones. You know, it got bones.
Yeah.
And see, we get on something like meatloaf, you feel me? He can eat straight through it.
Nah, well, that mean then I need to be cooking hamburgers.
You know what I'm saying? You got meatloaf, and mashed potatoes.
Hamburgers and French fries.
You know, the mashed potatoes.
No,
you know,
come on, still can eat that though.
Soft, easy to swallow. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, that's something for him. Don't let bae fool y'all.
Hey.
That's a meal that he want to cook. That's all that is.
You know, you asked for my recommendation.
No,
you know
I ain't think you finna say all that. Y'all, that sun is bright.
Let you know.
No, that sound like something for him, not for come on.
But anyways.
Yeah, anyways. we gonna have
meatloaf and mashed potatoes.
We probably have some chicken wings.
Man, look.
A pizza. He like the bread.
Yeah.
So we might do pizza.
So why would we do wings when he get done chewing out all the meat and the skin? He got a bone that he gonna be choking on.
No, he not gonna choke on that bone. Come on, like to eat the meat
Kamar
of
eat
it.
Bones.
He like to eat the meat though. If he get the meat,
talking about what a gristle at and all kind of
man, that cause he done. That cause he fat behind on ate it all the way down to the gristle.
He ate his
So
baby.
if you get the one with, if you get him something with meat, he'll go from one to the other.
Well,
Nah, so he can go from one to the other if he get the one with the meat.
Well, if you say meatloaf and mashed potatoes, comment down below.
Okay, y'all. Okay, y'all. So, okay, well that's good then. That's good then. So y'all gonna be in charge of what?
No, they not gonna be in charge.
What?
But they just, pushing the vote.
Okay then. Well, y'all comment in the comment section down below if you think baby Kamar for his first birthday, you think that he should have meatloaf and mashed potatoes for his birthday, or do you think he should have pizza and wings for his birthday? Thank you.
They gonna
Thank
be like,
you.
For a 1-year-old.
Yeah, because he love to eat. I ain't finna say no hot dog because
give that baby some formula.
Man.
And some milk. You don't know nothing about feeding them baby that good food.
Child.
Don't be over there, y'all. Don't be over there at the brand new now. Like, give that baby some food out that table now. Wait. Don't be acting like
they don't did about a bull.
Yeah. Don't be acting like, obesity. Everybody try to hear all that. Like, hold on now.
He's so crazy.
Cause our baby gonna be good and healthy.
He already healthy.
Yeah.
Hold on. What? Come on. What, JR? Yeah, JR, they help him. Child. JR fussed him out this toy.
Give me a slushy just because I thought about it.
Hold up, babe.
I wasn't going to stop, but I'm going to stop. Give me one. You want one too, bro?
Yeah.
Get us one of these famous slushies.
We going to the store.
We want to introduce
we
these
finna we finna show y'all the Wade slushes.
One day we will introduce the slushies.
The Wade slushes.
Hey, buddy, looking at me like, is you gonna stop?
They so crazy, y'all. But I'm not gonna hold y'all. I'm gonna get back on when I'm trying to move from out this camera, y'all, out the sun. Child, this sun is bright, and I can't even hardly see because it's shining. And it like it's shining in my eye. They gonna park right here in front of it too, y'all. Ain't that something? Ain't that something? What, JR? Y'all, JR ain't nobody whining and making noise but JR. He trying to get this thing from Kamar. What? What you want? No, he probably trying to get out this car seat because he don't like this car seat. But I got news for him, Buddy Roll. His tail gonna stay right there in that car seat. What? I'm finna show y'all how Kamar looking. Hold on. Say hey, that's JR, y'all. Y'all see how serious Kamar looking? Y'all, my kids is... What? I told y'all he trying to get out that car seat. You not getting out that car seat. Hold on, y'all. What I finna say was, let me see your slushy, baby. Y'all, look at this slushy. This slushy. They done got us on this slush hunt. This our new family slush. Excuse me, that we get from this store.
Secret location.
So they so good. But what I finna say? You see it?
Oh man, I'm talking about soft.
It's so good. JR got mine. JR, stop. JR got mine, y'all, taking over my stuff. I don't know why Bae just didn't get them now. But
so refreshing.
it is too. It's so good. When you be so thirsty and it got that sweet taste to it too. Ooh, it be just right. But when we get in the store, I will call you. I will not. When we get in the store, I will get back on. Okay? Cause I ain't gonna be able to get the kids unbuckled and all that kind of stuff while holding the phone.
So
Kamal crying now cause he wants some. He can suck out of a straw.
JR done spilled some on his shirt. We ain't even made it in the store yet.
All right then, y'all. Let me get the kids situated and let us get parked and get settled. And I will come back in. I keep saying call, but I will come back in once we get into Walmart. Okay. Okay, y'all, I am so sorry, but I wasn't even able to video record when I was in there because I got sidetracked and I forgot. So this will be the end of the video. Thank you all for watching. I hope you guys don't be mad at me, but we're gonna do another grocery haul. We're gonna do a grocery haul for sure. I promise you, we're gonna do a grocery haul. So this will be the end of the video. Thank you all for watching. I hope you like what you saw. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit that post notification bell so you'll be reminded of when I upload a video. Also hit that like button. Smash it, y'all. Bang it. If you got to run it over, just do it. But I hope you all like what you all saw. Thank y'all. Y'all have a good day. Mwah.